RPlus ERP is more than just software. It's a comprehensive ecosystem designed to simplify every aspect of your business operations. From lead generation to invoicing, project management to after-sales support, RPlus ERP ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Let's walk you through its powerful features and see how RPlus ERP transforms your day-to-day operations. And here's the best part: try it free for 1 year. No risks, only rewards. Director's Dashboard, your command center. The Director's Dashboard is the heart of RPlus ERP, designed to give you a 360-degree view of your business in real time. 1. Lead stages. Easily track the status of your leads, from actual leads to follow-ups, cancellations, and confirmed orders. 2. Sales summary. Get detailed insights into total sales, invoices generated, payments received, and outstanding amounts. 3. AMC summary. Stay updated on AMC contracts, renewed or expired agreements, invoices, and payments. 4. Warranty summary. Manage sales warranties, renewals to AMC contracts, and track pending invoices and payments. Advanced financial management tools. RPlus ERP helps you stay in control of your finances with detailed analytics. 1. Income and expense dashboard. Compare current and past year performance. 2. Visual reports. View daily and monthly income expense trends through graphical charts. 3. Detailed payables and receivables. Monitor vendor payments, client dues, and cash flow status. Dive deeper with specialized reports. 1. AMC Income Expense Analysis. Track AMC income, expenses, and profitability with monthly and contract-wise comparisons. Built for collaboration and productivity, RPlus ERP fosters seamless communication and collaboration within your organization. 1. Chat module. Exchange messages across teams or modules effortlessly. 2. Sticky notes. Pin important tasks or reminders on your dashboard for quick reference. 3. Calendar and task management. Plan, track, and complete tasks efficiently with daily, weekly, and monthly views. Missed a task? The task summary ensures you stay on track with personal, team, and overdue tasks. Tailored features for maximum efficiency. RPlus ERP is designed to adapt to your business processes with 1. Custom approval levels. Set up to 3 levels of approval for tighter control. 2. Process configurations. Define workflows that match your unique operational needs. 3. Role-based access. Assign dashboards, reporting rights, and controls based on user roles. 4. Personalization options. Customize themes, menu placements, and dashboards to suit your preferences. Workflow demonstration. From leads to customer satisfaction. Source of leads. The system automatically captures leads from a variety of sources such as IndiaMart, Trade India, WhatsApp, social media platforms, your website, or even manual entries. All leads are instantly imported into the system, eliminating the need for manual tracking or data entry. Enquiry details. You can select an existing customer from the drop-down menu or enter new customer details manually. The system supports a seamless process to capture customer information, reducing the need for repetitive data entry. After selecting the customer, you can specify the product details they are interested in. This helps in identifying potential leads for specific products or services within your portfolio. As soon as the lead is registered, the system automatically triggers email and WhatsApp notifications to the customer. These messages can include a welcome email with an introduction to your company, a company profile, and other relevant information tailored to the lead's enquiry. Follow-up and reminder setup. You can set follow-up reminders for each lead with specific dates and times. These reminders are tied to the lead's status and progress, ensuring a consistent and timely follow-up process. The system provides pop-up notifications when the follow-up time arrives, ensuring that you never miss an important task. Whether it's a phone call, email, or meeting, the system makes it easy to stay on top of each lead. Quotation generation. When a customer requests a proposal, you can generate a quotation with a single click. The system utilizes the automated quotation template, which pre-fills all necessary details like customer name, product specifications, pricing, and terms. This drastically reduces the time spent manually entering data and ensures accuracy. After the quotation is generated, you can review and adjust the product details if necessary. For instance, if there are specific configurations or customizations requested by the customer, they can easily be modified in the quotation without starting from scratch. Sending the quotation. Once the quotation is finalized, it can be saved as a PDF file for formal documentation purposes. This allows you to keep a clear record of the proposal for future reference. The system allows you to send the quotation directly to the customer via email and WhatsApp. This ensures that the customer receives the proposal quickly and through their preferred communication channel, increasing the chances of a prompt response. Step 2. Sales order and conversion order confirmation. 1. Order acceptance, decline. Accepted order. If the client accepts the quotation, the system automatically converts the enquiry into a sales order and marks it as won. You can enter the client's purchase order number and the corresponding date for record keeping. Rejected order. If the client rejects the order, the system prompts you to reject the enquiry, providing a reason, e.g., order cancellation, for reference. Product sales versus sales with installation. 1. Product sales. For a simple product sale, you can directly generate the delivery challan, then create a pro forma invoice. After the payment is received, you can generate a sales warranty for the product. 2. Sales with installation. For sales with installation, the sale is converted into a project. The project is assigned to an engineer, and you can set the start and end dates. The system tracks whether the project is completed on time or delayed. You can also allocate advance payments for project expenses, and track the balance accordingly.